So I'm going to provide a demonstration how it runs in my computer. Let me open the project for solution with the 22. So it's still the same project. Okay, let me try to run it through. Let me open the Swagger too on the same side. See, we can see the CRUD method for the setting and CRUD method for the to do. So here I was able to run it in my local browser. When I try to new to do, we can say new to do for the driving test active 23. Change the time. We can add tags. Driving, driving. Save it. You can see there is a. Actually, this is the one I just created. I'm able to create a new one. Filter to filter. Let me search it by driving filter. I was able to filter the to-do list. This is the complete to-do list. I have set the setting to 2 days and 0 hours. I can go ahead and edit the edit. You can see I was able to edit it. If you wanna delete one of the tests I just created, I was able to delete this one. It's running fine in my local computer, but I don't know how to fix this error. Thank you.